But everyone, welcome back to this daily cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I will be covering Bitcoin, Cardano, and XLM. So let's dive into the charts real quick and see what is up. So right here, guys, this is Bitcoin on the daily time frame. We actually peaked yesterday on the daily time frame below the exponential moving average, and as you guys know, we are still actually in a bear trend on the daily time frame. And the reason why I'm saying this is because until we break this this trend line, essentially, we saw a few bounces off this trend line, and until we break that to the upside, we will still be in a downtrend. So that being said, what can we see with Bitcoin doing? So let's have a look on the 4-hour time frame real quick. And the reason why I'm starting with Bitcoin is because he is the king and he is the leader of all the altcoins. That's number one. Number two, if Bitcoin dumps, most of the altcoins most of the time will dump. So first of all, we are seeing some higher lows right here, which is a good sign. The trend is your friend, as you guys know, so this is still on an uptrend, but on the macro or on the daily time frame, we're still making lower lows, as you guys can see right here. And this is also sort of a trend right here. So if you take this down, we got a nice little rejection. Right here we had a nice little rejection as well off the resistance. So all of this right here has been resistance, and now we just created another resistance. So it's going to be very, very difficult. Another thing I want to talk about is the head and shoulders that we are currently seeing on Bitcoin right now. This is the neckline, okay? This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and then this is the right shoulder. Now that being said, if we break towards the downside, which means we would have to essentially break this level, the 52,900 level. Let's have a look at our target, what our target can be. So our target essentially would be, take this, bring it at the breakout, it would exactly be this area. Sorry guys, it would be this area, the 47,372, which meets clearly with our previous support. So I would be very, very careful to take longs or shorts right now, until further confirmation. In my opinion, I won't be doing anything until we break this level, the 59,000 level, and until we break that level. So we are in a situation right now, we are in the no trade zone, in my opinion. So guys, remember with trading, you have to be patient, you have to let the market come to you, and you can't chase the market, essentially. That being said, let's have a look real quick at the Bitcoin dominance. This line right here, guys, the 46, this yellow line at the 46, I put this level, guys, a couple months ago, and we actually got a nice beautiful rejection off here. Now I know this is only the 4-hour time frame. I believe we're gonna have some more downside. Once we break that level, we're gonna see the biggest alt season in ever, and I'll explain to you guys why. Let's have a look on the weekly time frame, actually on the longer time frame. We haven't been around this level since July 2nd, 2018, guys. The second we break this level, we're gonna have a massive alt season to the 39 and then to the 34. As you guys can see right here, this area right here, the one that I highlighted, this was the massive altcoin boom we had in 2017, where coins were popping between 80 to 90% literally on the daily basis. I'm not even kidding. We saw massive return. So can we see something like this repeating before entering the crypto winter market? Yes, that is very, very possible, but maybe not. Maybe this time is different, but I don't know. We're gonna have to see, and we're gonna have to react and not predict. Let's move on into ADA Cardano real quick. Let's move these things away. Okay, so ADA Cardano on the weekly, we're seeing some nice beautiful consolidation, as you guys can see. Nothing too crazy to see here. Let's dive into the daily time frame. Let's take a look at an exponential moving average. We had a beautiful bounce on the exponential moving average on ADA Cardano, as you guys can see. Nothing too crazy. We came back. If you guys saw my video a few days ago on ADA Cardano, I did mention that we're gonna essentially come back to retest the exponential moving average and essentially pop back up from there. So we are in a channel, of course. So let's take these EMA ribbons real quick. And as you guys can see, we popped exactly. I did mention that we were going to come back and retest the exponential moving average, which was approximately right here, and to pop to the 1.6 level. Now if we get to the 1.61 area, 1.62 area, and we break that area, in my opinion, this is a ticket to the moon, like to the $3-4 region at least. So it's going to be very interesting. We are currently up 8.5%. And it's just going to be very, very interesting to see what happens. On the 4-hour time frame, we got a nice little rejection right here. So there's been some essentially some resistance in that area, as you guys can see right here. We're meeting some beautiful resistance right here, and right here. So in my opinion, we're gonna have to break this area, and that's gonna probably be my confirmation for a long. If we break this area, I'm probably going to be stacking on another position on the 1.55. That's going to be very interesting. That being said, guys, you know, once again, don't take any trades, don't take any longs, don't use high leverage, of course, until further confirmation. Next coin I want to have a look at is XLM, guys. XLM is a really, really underrated coin. As you guys can see, this is a daily time frame. It hasn't exploded as much as other coins have. Like, we're seeing other coins exploding tens of thousands %, and we're seeing a nice, beautiful growth on the daily time frame on XLM. Now, this, in my opinion, if we break this area, the 69.70 region, this is going to be a clear ticket to the moon, to the at least 1.2 region level. If we take that, I believe that would be 100% gain. So this can easily 1x. Sorry, guys, this can easily 1x. Yeah, 100% approximately. Let's have a look on the daily time frame. No, this is a daily time frame, sorry, the exponential moving average. So as you guys can see right here, we saw a beautiful bounce on XLM. We came back down, retested the ribbons, and the ribbons have been playing a big part in our you know, in our trading, at least in this bull run. On the 4-hour time frame, we broke out clean, nice and clean, and as you guys can see, we are in a pretty nice uptrend right here. So this would be the uptrend for XLM. We touched it a few times, so let's take that out. We touched the trend line 1, 2, 3. Very possible we touch it one more time before going up to the moon. That being said, let's have a look at the moving average real quick. Let's take that away. The moving average, also nothing too crazy. We actually broke the 200 moving average, the 50 moving average, and the 9th moving average. So this is a good sign. Everything is shifting towards the top essentially. So we're gonna see the ribbons or the moving average doing something like that, and we're essentially gonna be supported by the moving average. Anyways, guys, this is a quick update, of course, on XLM and Cardano Bitcoin. If you guys like this video, please leave a comment, subscribe, and like. I'll see you guys tomorrow.